Hello everyone, my name is Gianni and today I'm going to show you how to create the outline effect in DaVinci Resolve. So let's jump straight into DaVinci and let's see how to do that. So the first thing to do is to duplicate our clip. So let's go ahead and duplicate our clip, then go to Effects, open Effects, and you can either scroll down or search for the Edge Detect effect. And let's drag this effect on top of our clip and open the inspector. In the inspector we need to change the mode from RGB to grayscale, and then we can go to the video tab and change the composite mode from normal to add. Right here we can use the opacity to change how strong or subtle we want the effect to be, and then we need to change the zoom to make sure that we have the outline effect. And there you have it. That's how you create the outline effect in DaVinci Resolve. If there is any other effect that you would like to learn, let me know in the comment section down below. See you in the next one.